Hi guys, happy Thursday. I hope you liked my last video. Just had a little meeting with Noemi today and we've discussed a few things with your project, and we're starting to get our head around it and what we're going to do to move forward and actually get these things done. Good starting point, we've just started to discuss your naming of the project. I'm really happy to see the ideas that are coming through. I like the one aggregate, it has definite merit. One little issue that popped up with the word gate was Watergate, so connotations that go with it. If I can make a recommendation with naming, I think it's worth putting aside 5 to 10 minutes during your meeting to do a brainstorm and possibly get a visual going. So if anybody knows how to mind map, begin with the center point and work your way out just with words, concepts, ideas, maybe have a thesaurus nearby. Start to come up with some words and connections that you want to make to what you're doing. I can instantly see seed, growth, those sorts of concepts coming through in your naming. But I think you're heading in the right direction, you're all thinking about it, and that's a good thing. Noemi and I have started to come up with a format for how we're going to work together on this, and each week we'll be having a meeting for about 1 hour where we'll discuss the progress I'm making, the bits and pieces that I'll need to do the work for you, and everything we need to start to generate a bit of a report for your Friday meetings. So hopefully Friday morning, each time before you meet, you'll have something to review, go over and have a look and provide feedback on it as well to make sure that I'm still following the path that you're looking for. We had a bit of a chat today about sponsorship. I think you've got a potential there to be able to reach out to different organisations and get a little bit of extra funding to do the things you want to do, as well as to partner with organisations that can get some of the work done. I saw you've been in contact with ABC Open. That's a recommendation of mine. They're fantastic and they've got a national scope. So in regards to making the video, there's some openings there. And you can probably go over that tomorrow with Noemi and the whole group and have a bit of a look. But they're a great organisation and they generally love to help where they can. So if you can continue that discussion, that'll be a good one. Basically, I'm free to answer questions and things through Noemi as well throughout the week. So I can always attend to emails and have a bit of a look if you do need a bit of extra stuff, information on different things. Regarding the website, I'll start to build a timeline for that, for what we need to have ready by when and what purposes will be ready for at each stage. What else have we got here? I've also come up with some different ways that you can all interact with the content material and put that out, and I'll put that together in the report for tomorrow and have a bit of a think about how you'd like to approach that. The end date has been supplied to me is for September when you have your presentation. I'm looking at having the website up and fully functional throughout July, ready to launch the actual program and campaign come August. So that's another idea for you guys to discuss during your meeting as to when we're going to start setting those milestones. I'll prepare a few tentative ones that you can have a look at and review, but they'll be set up to be ready at key points so we can start to roll it out as necessary. I'll need everybody to have a bit of a solid think about your goals and objectives. I think your broader goal, as I've got it, is basically that you're trying to attract the 15 to 25-year-old demographic back into rural industries and agribusiness. So that one's more or less fine. Once we start to get down to your objectives, we need something a little bit more measurable so we can figure out whether or not the program's been a success, and it actually guides the direction of all the work we do. So we start to have a bit of a chat about the objectives you're looking for, and it could be to reach 20 schools with the materials, 800 people through the website, whatever it is. If we can get a handle on that, then that makes everything as we move forward a little bit easier. That's about me for this week. I'll prepare a report for you for tomorrow, and I'll see you later.
Thank you, Sean. Bye.
Bye.